In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom dimension in Google Analytics for your WordPress website. Whether you're trying to track specific user actions, gather deeper insights, or simply want more control over the data flowing into your reports, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Analytics 4 property and head over to the admin section on the left side. Once you're there, scroll through the list until you find Data Display section. Under Data Display section, click on Custom Definitions. This page is where all your custom dimensions and custom metrics live, so follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. By default, you'll land on the Custom Dimensions tab, but you can switch to custom metrics anytime if you need them. Next, click on Create Custom Dimension. A setup panel will appear, and this is where the magic happens. Start by selecting the event parameter you want to register. Google Analytics only allows dimensions based on parameters you're already sending from your website, so make sure your WordPress site, whether using GTM, a plugin, or a custom script, is sending the parameter correctly. In this example, we'll choose the parameter called search_term. Now give your new dimension a clean, simple name. It's best to use the same spelling as the parameter to avoid confusion later. Set the scope to event, since it applies to individual user actions. For the description, add a short note like search term used in the site search box. Doing this helps keep everything organized, especially if you start creating multiple custom dimensions across your site. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your event parameters are already being tracked before creating the dimension. Double-check your spelling, and remember that custom dimensions aren't retroactive. They only collect data from the moment you create them. Keeping these in mind can save you time and prevent frustrating data gaps. Once everything looks good, click Save and your new custom dimension will be registered instantly. After that, all that's left is to wait for data to populate. Soon, you'll be able to use that dimension inside explorations, reports, and custom dashboards without any interruptions. It's also a great idea to test your event in Debug View to ensure your parameter is firing correctly. Taking this extra step ensures your analytics stays clean and accurate. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a custom dimension in Google Analytics for your WordPress website easily and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to track more advanced data. Why not make someone's analytics setup a whole lot easier?